So with evidence now coming to light that Liverpool goalkeeper Loris Karius might have suffered a concussion from that Sergio Ramos inflicted elbow just moments before Karius made the first of his 2 schoolboy errors in the Champions League final. And this is what I've been pointing out, that football at this level is akin to war, and warriors like Sergio Ramos are soldiers of war who will do anything allowable or anything that he can get away with in order to win. So according to the medical evidence, Karius suffered a concussion that caused visual spatial dysfunction, a condition that hampers the person's ability to process visual information about where objects are in space. So the long and the short of the argument is that after that elbow by Ramos, Karius never knew where he was and where other people and other objects were relative to each other. And let me set this straight. I think Sergio Ramos should be punished retroactively from the video replay evidence. So don't get it twisted. I am not supporting or celebrating Ramos damaging my Liverpool players in order to win the Champions League title. But at the same time, I am a student of the game of football. And what I have said and will continue to say is that personally, I would love to have a gladiator like Sergio Ramos in my team instead of facing him in an opposing team. Now that is an opinion and not a celebration. That's what good argument. That's what good.